Hey, welcome back, supply chain superstars. Martin here. We've got a good one today. Did you know that there is a tool in SAP that will allow you to visualize the connection between a supply element for a component at the lowest level of the bill of material and the final demand element that is planned to serve? Now, we'll acknowledge that it's not the prettiest graphic that you'll ever see, but for the purpose of impact and analysis and connection, it's a very powerful tool. We have two videos on this topic. One on the visualization end product, and the other goes into detail around the pegging report. What we're talking about today is the end result known as the ripple effect. To take us through this excellent feature in SAP, Sean's going to be sharing with the team about how this specific report can actually help us. Sean, take us away.
Well, Martin. How the tables have turned, my friend. Usually it's Martin who talks about the ripple effect. Today I get to put my own spin on it. This is exciting. In our walkthrough today, I'm going to focus on three key things. First, I'll carry on the definition Martin started to frame up on what we mean by the ripple effect. Second, I'll show you how to navigate to it and zoom in and out once you're there. And lastly, I'll give you some insight as to why this is so useful. As they say, a picture paints 1,000 words. So let's get in and take a good look. Right, folks, so here we are. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into a transaction called MD04, which is your stock requirements list. And in the stock requirements list, I've chosen a material PLA black. So this is 3D printing, and it is for plant 1000. And it's going to open up the stock requirements list for me, and we can see the details that are currently in there in terms of the requirements and so on. And what I want to do is I want to select one of those supply elements. So here is a planned order at the top. And we'll look at that planned order and go to what's known as the pegging report. If you notice down the bottom, here is a button called pegging requirements. It has the upward arrow. So I click on that, and what it does is it opens up the pegging requirements for me that's related to that particular planned order. And what I then want to do is I want to say, well, show me this geographically. How does this look from a graphical point of view that portrays what's happening in the pegging report?